Ki nong ilam seng balang baper ki balawan bani simenta ha kejelang balakhot do mitrang ba kejela konrad ke sangma halor ke jingkmu jong ke sorkar jela ban sedang ya kawat kabar jong ke jipen be yo por sam ki lapen pau ba ke sorkar kam dei ban le politics ne ya keno mar kaliang ha ka bai dei ba ka kai phot jong snem arjar khatwei na kaliang ki nong ilam seng balang ha bai kren bat kilar pthai kubor kilai thu ba kilai i ha kawat ka baning kong jong ke jingsoi ya ka MOU kila don sibun ki bam hun satya bat kilapen pau ba haswa ban sim ya karai bakhadu de ban sim lang ru ya karai jong kitrai jaka bat kumju ru na ka district council haswa ban soi ya ka MU na ka benta ka wat kabar
Adian baka sorkar jong atlik sorkar bila ya sanya kata ni le soi ta ka MOU dan ji pen bai bu usang apan kemau ba atlik meeting wa sorkar ini kala khot pun kisang balam pas ngo baka sorkar kala along kot jumut tu kata pen bai bu usang nama ba kani kam dei syu ka barang dawam tam ta layak san pop di kisna tika ibang ya ajmut tu kopor kolong ru ba ka di ben sim ban bias kata history bakra ka di ben sibru bias u ka konsep jok ka history pat ka ju kopor ka di ben pensiong long remru pat ban snap ban snor ni ki et ki hima ka district council hirushmat ki badon ki kot kisla tenre hadin ka di ka fast fees kal ajak kumtu ni I kadon ka jing ya bom hun ka bun ba kimi ikan nom kan ram kidon ikan hun ki ba lang pen krek ma ya sindi ka andu kadon ka jubom so hun kidon rupat ba pen pau lo jong jong pen pau handai habang ya kendu ka singi pun snow ya kani hadin bila ya boros ka tu ban snap ka jing sisa ingi I na kaliang ka sorkar ro menta pen I ya kata ka jinglong juman ba nang nu ka simba nu ka senang tenre ngi samba kani ka jing persang ya ka ban droyok to lan kam dai bada fujiam ta arjar apu ar ki pen kom pen I ka sorkar menta ang balajian lu arjar khatwe kanu ka badet kanu ka balat ngatrai ka sorkar kin sa jawab ngi nama ban jawab on behalf jong ko na handai ka ai bangi kwa ban perso ka sorkar menta singi ka lomba ni so tu ba sorkar ong ka long ba ban ong ban ya kalen spang ta ka review ta ka emo handai ngatrai ba ka Assam badang hap India kami khlea hap India na try ka don kalenti pun uban wan kilat kalenti katangi I ka jing start kom sorka te ka nongrem go chungi kim kran ka lomba kam dei ban yu ban ni ban klet no jing jaw mat jing tu bari bosong hai boda mangakran ni kata ka long dei menu boleh sumar tu jaka tu da khani san pho tu kisnam maki sumar kindo sia itu jaka puta la kalau pergi hap ke himan lebih hap ke senong nak kira pun tak tertek. Jika kau sekarang tak ngasok kau ngi agent start sekarang rai kan orang punya yang kalong ba ngin je teng je keban pebinia ani kakam bat ngit sorkar kan thau gilat kanti bat ka juko po ni la keren ka basai bat sak sorkar taban ong ba menta ka pen kre ikas kan fees ni ong ba haswaban sim ye kono karai khadu neban ong ban je san ka emo kadi ban sim ya consideration ban take on board jiki pat ba sok snam tu bijaka ken dai ban ya nang skmat ba kas nang mi bun ki ken rom kadra hot mi so tho ba kam dai ka basuk kani jing pen put pen sa mi so tho ka asam kan kam me kya kan kam kadon ka jing ya kap ni tain rai kata la bikidon kadon ka lenti ka badai ba bek ka jing start ka jung phi nget ba kanam don ka kan rom kan ram kong san ka long itrashnom literally tremulok bat kendo ko siap et ki hima rangkap district council pihak dan district jemut ba sorkaro kam dai bijai laj gi kana makna mi kan rom kan ram lakan syurai tang kata ka komiti badong ka tu ka ngot ngatrai o se kadang wat ka sken fees kadang mi biang ki jinge jelang ba ka ni ka jing kedu ta singi ka longkom ka wei ka bangi a jemut sorkar ba hasken fees kam dai mi kan ram bat ka ju ka por yakini ki ki jingmi ki jingyam ki jing bomhun kyong ki padba ki badi no tusno mi boda ya kan ni ka fast fees mi ong sorkar ba ka ben thaw mi lat kunti bada ka ong kama su ban release ka euro to handai na soban ong ba ka me khria kam dei Pakistan ka Assam kam dei ka Bangladesh handai kirang dei India ngatrai ka jing start ka jungki punu ban thaw mi lat kunti ka pendai kita jingna hikum ngakran man kong ngi ngamban ni ban ya ban pan jing khen manu bakla banu mo ka sorkar ka syong ka sorkar dibisia keren hok lelai budon sorkar arjar khawai gudon sorkar mentaro ngina ban juba on behalf jong kata gomen bamta ba kon men balale Dari ngasong ban ong ba, ya ke hok jumpa ba balasan Catholics nam sumak ya khandok siap matrai ke song gejing stan sukar kuno ke penbat.
Lada pemhun ni ka jinga penbat report ka phase 1 bat kujo ka phase 2 ka ba ka isu bat tu bat sek balang kenda.
Ya mentah-mentah ngem palak ban ong ke senjam menghap ban de. Hanrai ngihap ban pule benya bat ngihap ban ya. Ter ya tai seni ba om tangi kum kisang balang kira kata lai tarai mdon ku kisang balang budan cakap ko kaput. Hari ngihap ban slok it ki hima. Yang mbak senang, itra senang buat orang itu. Jadi ke step yang saya menulis.
Ngai kan saya mentasi baka nakalian to sarkar ko ong ba ketika ba penbek yu kaput ka bis bet nakatoka nakamap la dro daka a house nam arja khatwe daka we ko government tingi ong pek nim kwa ban le government amde ban politics habdi bakaliang ye ni jipen kaput amde ban ka blim giem mabel yu lada kani sarkar ko ong ba yakini ki boundaries baro ada tho na ada dimaki daka sarkar ban ho arja khatwe komut da pipite babakla ru tak skam mapi kan bakla jang kito teden ta kadang ni ong ba ya ke ka ba pisu thu bakam de ban long ya fight be kata kan umli ban shu kenyak ban kenok ban tekti pat oh am nama ni shu le be ke bala dap le dap draw ta kama ho aja khat wai de kata ga dap kan sha ni mane nama da ka kan pan pau ba la da sarkar ki iba ka jingle ka sarkar ka ban ha aja khat wai rekini ki kalam ki skam kan ki ni ban ta pa.
We have told our Honorable Chief Minister that our demands that there are certain areas that we have pointed out in our memorandum that these areas it should be reconsidered, it should be looked upon. Then it was before the map for this signing of the MOU was submitted to the Assam government. These lands belong to the Nongbak Akeng and the Hima Nonglang, and this were never disputed. Assam never disputed for these lands. Assam never claimed these lands. These were always part of Meghalaya. So we pointed that out to our Honorable CM. We pointed out that Assam does not have Himas. They don't have scheduled lands. They don't have Himas. They don't have Akengs. So we put out our points. Our Honorable Chief Minister has also told us that they will try to look into the matter. They will see to it what can be done in this matter. So that is all we discussed today. We are pursuing with our demands that these places which belong to the Hima Nonglang and Nongbak Akeng should remain with Meghalaya. That is our demand. We have already talked with the CM and he has promised that he'll look into the matter.
But the chief minister had maintained that there will be no change in the MOU because we have demanded to review the MOU, but he has maintained that there will be no change. What do you have to say?
Actually, these particular areas which we are talking about, these are not even included in the MOU. These places belong to Meghalaya, and this mistake happened while the demarcation was done in the paper while this map was being drawn. So these are technical mistakes. So we have pointed out to them. They have also seen our point. They have also realized that there must be something. So he's saying that we can look into the matter, but the original MOU that they cannot review. But then this might be technical mistakes, so they might be able to rectify it. That is
Can you mention the name of this village?
These are Malang Huhuapara, Malang Salbari, and Malang Joypur.